Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. Today's topic is database design. So, to start with database design, our prime focus is to understand the prime concepts of designing. These concepts are relational model and functional dependency. So, how to design a database? This can be revealed with the help of study of these two things, relational model as well as functional dependency. So, relational model is basically design of relation. This is a tabular representation of database. Here we populate the values of data with the help of row and columns. For example, this is a student relation and the values I populate in it are student ID, student name, student address and student phone number. So these values identifies or defines a student. For example, if I populate these attributes with some domain values, for example, student ID 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Meanwhile, the names, student names, I populate in it. Address, and the phone numbers. So this makes a relational model where these column headings are known as attributes. These rows are known as tuples in relational model. Tuples basically defines the values of a row. The number of columns gives the degree of relation. And the number of tuples inside a relation gives the cardinality. So this is a relational model. Now suppose I want to identify the particular value of a student. This can be defined with the help of the values I populated inside this database. These values are known as domain values. So this is the design of database and we achieve this design with the help of the relationship among these different attributes of a relation. Now come to the point functional dependency. For example, if I am taking two attributes of particular relation, say these attributes are x and y and there is a belongingness between x and y, means x is determining y, then we can say that y is dependent on x. Now the question is how this dependency is defined with the help of this relational model. For example, if I have taken a database customer and if I substitute these values with the help of customer, say customer ID is determining customer name. Now question is what is the meaning of functional dependency here? Here we can say that customer ID is determining customer name. That means in every case, in every situation, we are getting the name of customer with the help of his ID. If this type of relationship exists in that relation model, we can say this is a functional dependency. Means we are getting the value of customer name with the help of customer ID. So this left hand side is known as determinant. This is a determinant of the dependency. And this right hand side which we are deriving from this determinant is known as dependent. So a functional dependency is the relationship between this determinant and dependent attribute inside a relation model. So with the help of this dependency, we can easily define what the contents of a particular relation is associated with another attribute. Similarly, proceeding in the same, let us take an example of employee. For example, an employee can be identified with the help of various attributes like employee ID, employee name. Say an employee is working on a project, so project number, or number is assigned to particular project, number of hours, project location, as well as the name of the project. Because a company can deal with several projects at the same time. Now, If we are going to design this employee database, firstly we have to create a relational model of this relation. So we have created with the help of a relational model, means we are creating a table of it with the help of attribute values. These are the attributes of a relation: employee ID, employee name, project number, number of hours, project location and project name. Now, second question is how we associate the relationship among these various attributes. So we identify the functional dependency. First functional dependency identified is employee ID tends to employee name. This is first functional dependency. This is the prime functional dependency we are deriving from this relation. Secondly, we are identifying that project number means the assigned project is governed with the help of project location plus project name. So this association is functional dependency second. Any other dependency we are finding? So we find that number of hours means employee ID plus employee name. These two things combinedly gives us how many hours an employee works on that particular project. So we find that in this relation totally three functional dependency exist. These are shown as functional dependency 1, functional dependency 2 and functional dependency 3. Now with the help of database designing, we derive that employee ID tends to employee name. Here employee ID is a determinant attribute, employee name is the dependent attribute. Employee name is functionally dependent on employee ID. Similarly, second case, from the name of the project, that is the project number, the number which is assigned to the project, we are getting the value of project location as well as project name. So these two things, these two attributes are functionally dependent on the name of the project, the number assigned to the particular project. Similarly, third functional dependency, that is combination of employee ID as well as employee name uniquely identifies the number of hours an employee works on a project. So these types of functional dependencies we can create with the help of first designing the relational model of attributes of particular table. In this way we design the table, in this way we identify the functional dependency. So these two things are the essential parameters of database design. Any questions?